Good morning, everybody. Today it's on the 13th of August. This is what we did yesterday. So we were looking for sales below this point. Potential buys above that point, potential sales below this point. We had a candle close, but then it was the CPI effect. Then after that, we had a very nice pull to the upside, right? And all good. So below that point, the market didn't really continue pushing down. It actually got rejected and pushed back up. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how the market is. In terms of fundamentals today, we have AUD is already passed. We have nothing. We just have some FOMC members speaking. Yeah, it's gonna be reactive as such. So that's good. For us, we're gonna remove every other thing over here. We're gonna do a fresh new analysis and see how the market is gonna be behaving today. Potentially. Actually, today we can do gold and Euro USD. We'll do gold and Euro USD today. All right, there we go. Weekly support. Weekly resistance is over there. Daily. But daily support, daily resistance. Support over here is actually being formed. It's over here. It was formed by yesterday's candle. We go to 4 hours. Yep. Sorry. From yesterday. There we go. Right, so we're gonna need to push that. That remains is what we have. So still the market is the same, still the same range. What I need to see is a break below this point, to be honest. I need the market to break below that point for me to take sales, honestly. Yeah. All right. But right now, as I speak, the market is not even near there. It's over here. All right. And over here, that's where the market is right now. So we have them levels over here. We have this level over here. Okay. Over there. Good. So what I have right now is potential sales below this point. The potential sales below here. Then you have potential buys above this point. But it's gonna be some very nice. Yeah. If we have some pressure, we're gonna push all the way up. It's a long position. So if we have pressure, good pressure, we're gonna push all the way up. Break above that point and expecting to continue moving up to these other points. The safest of the buys, when I'll be talking about these points, but now again, you can't really ignore what the price is doing right now, because there's a possibility of getting a very good trade actually from there as well. All we're gonna do is make sure that the stop loss is not as big as that. It's probably around that area, just to make sure that we cover a manageable risk that is there, right? Okay, so there we go. That is what I'm gonna be looking at today. All right, so we don't have any major news like yesterday. Yesterday we had CPI over here that moved the market down and up and down, and then up. And then there was the Trump tweet that pushed the market up again. So let's look at today. Let's see how this market behaves and risk manage your trades well. Okay. Trade what you see, not what you think, and see you on to the next one. But oh, hold up. Yeah, we were doing gold and Euro USD. So that's gold. Now let's do Euro USD. I promise to do Euro USD. Sorry. Euro USD. Where's Euro USD? So here. Okay. So we have Euro USD again. Euro USD. Looking again on the. We don't have any Euro news still. Okay, which is good. All right. So again, let's start a fresh analysis on Euro USD. This is the highs of the month. And we can take this as a low. All right. Highs over there, the lows over there. All right. So these are pretty much finished analysis. Euro USD is funny. Monthly, the daily low, daily high at the same point. I'm actually wondering where we're headed because I've already finished the analysis onto the daily side. Just gonna do a bit of readjustment. Continue pushing down. Of course, I'm not gonna ignore these 2 points over here. Where we are right now, we have a forward supports over there. Remember what we're doing is price action, so we're looking at the most immediate action that the price can take. There we go. 30 minutes. Here he is. Okay. So that's how the market is on Euro USD. Euro versus the USD. Of course, you have such a lag. Tell you what, it's all messed up. Too much going on Euro, the Euro USD. This could be an area for potential aggressive sells. Over there. Yeah, we take some aggressive sells from that point. From here, stop loss above there. Crash all across this mess over here. When we get here, we make them a bit safe sells. All right, so we expect the market to be dilly-dally in these points. For the buys, I just wanted to cross above this level. Above there, potential buys. Once we cross above that level, like that. All right. So yes, this is what we're gonna be looking at. Let's see how the market behaves over here. Let's see how it behaves. All right. Looking on the left, what do we have on the left? I need to see something on the left, something happening on the left. That, oh, it's a clean move. It's a clean slate move. Ooh, all the way to this point. Okay. All right, so that's basically what I'm going to be looking at. Okay. That's going to be aggressive sales. At least safe sales should be below this point over here. Safe sales. All right. Again, keep an eye on the market, trade what you see, not what you think, and risk manage well. See you on to the next one. Thank you guys, and bye bye. Have a good one.